I am here at PPMA Total 2025. It's the UK's biggest free-to-attend processing and packaging machinery event. It promises big names, big innovations and big opportunities, with innovations, demonstrations, seminars and networking. So let's get inside and meet with some of 8 Quadrant2Design clients exhibiting here.
Obviously, this year it's PPMA Total, so it's like a joint show this year. So that hopefully brings the extra footfall to the stand.
The show's been really good. Actually, about 50% better leads, a higher number of leads than we've seen this time last year.
We're already halfway through and we can already see the benefits. We've already spoken to people that have never heard of us, didn't know we existed, and yeah, it's great.
Absolutely, we're already thinking about what size stand to have next year, so absolutely it's an investment for us, yeah.
Yamato's a weighing company. We specialise in weighing. Yeah, it's been very good. The stand this year looks great. We've had a very good year from the build, from the start on Saturday through to the actual show starting on Tuesday. So it's been very good, very positive, and we've had a lot of comments from customers saying how good the stand is. So we're very pleased. We wanted the feel of the stand to have a Japanese feel, it's a Japanese company, and we wanted to have that flow so that it reflected a little bit of the quality, the history of the company, obviously over 100 years old, and we wanted to have that flow, that feel, not just with the products but with the stand as well, and I think it's definitely shown that. I think the cherry blossom really sets off parts of the stand. So it's kind of like a theme that sets a particular standard, a particular image across the board now. And I think it, rather than just have blue and white and words, with the cherry blossom, I think it just breaks things up. It makes it stand out a little bit better, I think. The ability to have the 2 TV screens, so one showing the history and all of the products, all of the manufacturing capabilities, and the other one for all of our supportive products such as the Yamato Stats, where we've got a running demo. We've also used the TV for showing customers demonstrations of machines, running products as well. So it's been very interactive.
We are manufacturers of centrifugal and axial industrial fans. We're a family-owned and run company, and this is the first time we've done anything like this, but we are in the process of building our brand, getting out there. Yeah, it's just nice to get to speak to people, old customers, new customers. Everyone that's come and seen us has been impressed. I think they've been really impressed with our setup. I think it represents us really well. It looks spectacular, it looks great, and everyone that's come and said, wow, it looks really good. I think the graphics are great, I think everything, the holders for the brochures, I'm just, blown away by all of it. It's really good. So pleased that it all comes together. It was such an easy process for us as well, so we just turned up and it was built and then we just had to put our products, our catalogues and stuff on, but yeah, I was so pleased. We just wanted it to kind of portray us as we are, to show our products. We've rebranded recently. That's really nice that that's reflected in the stand and in the branding. And we wanted it to look nice, be engaging, and I think we've achieved that. I think it might actually be the flooring with all our line drawings on. I think that's a really cool idea, and it's really eye-catching and everyone wants to talk about it.
Webb Automation are a company that's 50 years old and based just south of Worcester in the UK, where we design and build powder dosing systems. So we want to demonstrate what we're able to provide our customers. We want to show off what is our core kind of offering, where do we add value in the market, and then as well that overall feeling of you're dealing with a professional company here that will give you a high quality machine.
Do you think you have succeeded today at the show to do that?
Absolutely, yeah, there's no doubt. And we've had feedback to say, you know, we've seen you in years gone by and we've seen you this year, and there is a very positive change this year in that outward look.
Is that because of the stand?
It's a major part of it, for sure, yeah. It's a good high quality build. The designers at Quadrant2Design were able to kind of understand the sort of message that we're trying to put forward and the sort of equipment that we're trying to show off. And they've been able to design a stand that has really done that well. One bit that's really cool to us is the shelving that we have with the backlighting. It shows off, we're able to show products that we pack, and we show them in a good light, and then also some of the intricacies of our equipment, and you can really break down our equipment and see it piece by piece in that backlit shelving. It does stand out, and it kind of makes customers and other people kind of come closer to the stand to kind of understand it better and go, oh, that's why they've chosen a floor like that, because it works with the machine, you know. So yeah, this is actually something I'm quite proud of, because we were given the option and it was kind of like it's a blank canvas and you don't actually know where to start too much, but I came up with the idea of let's use the products that our customers handle. So we deal with customers in coffee, in all sorts of food, dry ingredients. And so I found an image that represents that, and now it's clear from the other end of the hall what products we handle.
Okay, so Wittenstein, we're the market leader when it comes to planetary gearboxes, rack and pinion, and mechatronic solutions. But we have 3 business divisions that we're representing today. We are looking to promote the brand and build on our reputation, so we like to look slick, we think we do. Well, we chose to have quite a small space because we haven't got any moving machinery or anything like that. But in this small space, we've crammed quite a lot of our products. And so, yeah, thank you very much for your stand build. I like how we have the cutaways, and I also like the livery. And the carpet has our corporate colour as well. We really like it. Yeah, we really like that. The feedback's been really good, actually. So, without a shadow of a doubt, we will be booking again next year.
It was excellent because it kept the cost down, so that ensured that we could actually go for the bigger stand this year, because obviously the quality of the stand is reusable, but also it's very stable, and because it's reusable it gives us the cost option to go for the bigger floor space. Now we've got this, we're going to try and keep this floor space so that this stand can be reused again and again.
The main reason that we went with Quadrant2Design was because of the reusability and because of that the value that you then add to the stand as you reuse it through the years. So yeah, absolutely, we'll be using it again.
Obviously it's a big outlay of money in the first place, and then to know that you're going to be able to use it again, it's just, yeah, it's ideal really.
Yeah, we're really happy with it. We're really happy with it. In fact, we've had the same concept for the last 2 years, and the reason we kept it as it was is because we had a good feedback before.
We started working together last year. It was a completely different stand, but this year we've been able to utilise the stand fully from start to finish with just the additional sections to make it fit this stand this year, and it's been a pleasure to work together, and I think that we'll be working together next year as well.
From the first day, from the build-up day, the support has been excellent. Our service engineers worked with Quadrant2Design to put the stand together and actually put the equipment on as well. So yeah, it's been really, really good.
Very helpful, supported us all the way. So what more can I say?
You know, we're really pleased with the quality of the build and the support that we've had from Quadrant2Design.
And we've not really got that much experience of doing stands of this size, so it just made the whole process really nice and smooth, easy, and took a lot of the stress out for us actually.
This show really delivered. It's busy, the stands are vibrant, the technology is innovative, and the visitors and exhibitors are engaged. 1,500 brands have been on display over the 3 days of the exhibition. 350 exhibitors have come face to face with over 7,500 visitors. I've loved catching up with Quadrant2Design's clients and hearing about how the stands have drawn crowds and facilitated the demos and meetings that closed sales.